Miracle restoration of a fire-damaged Chevrolet Camaro pace car. Fire is the most destructive force of nature, often leaving nothing but ash in its wake. It's certainly not. Joe Garcia bought the wrecked car from his friend Michael Lightbourne, who acquired it from an insurance company at a cutthroat price. The car was a cinder. Considering the great job he's done, and his previous experience of car restoration, Garcia does not consider himself to be a professional at the art. He might not be a restorer by trade, but the work he has done on the S numbers matching 350Ci engine is near perfection. It might be hard to. Michael has a few words of advice for anyone looking to buy a cheap car to restore from insurance companies. He also mentions the risk of fake vehicles being advertised as something they are not. The restoration is more on Chevrolet.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.